We live such hectic and crazy lives, and it's so important for us to take our time, slow down, and relax. I'm going to share with you a few simple movements for your neck and shoulders that will help you to release tension and stress. You can do these postures seated in a comfortable position like I am, or you can do this actually sitting in a chair. Find that comfortable spot for you and begin to breathe deeply in and out through your nose. As you breathe in through your nose, just think about counting for about 5 to 7 counts. So you're going to inhale slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A few more times like that, in and out through your nose, breathing in slowly, and exhale slowly. Continue to take those few breaths and just observe and notice. Even here, with just a simple focus on your breathing, your mind starts to settle and you start to calm down. You can use this breathing practice anytime when you feel stressed, you feel a little distracted, and you need to refocus. Let's take one more together. Deep breath in and exhale. And then slowly begin to open your eyes. And we're going to move into just some simple shoulder rolls. So I just want you to take your shoulders, draw them forward, lift them up, and then exhale, release back. So don't lose the connection to your breath. Inhale, shoulders forward, lift them up, and then exhale, roll the shoulders back. Let's take 3 more. Breathing in, shoulders forward, lift them up, and exhale, roll them back. Continue to sit up nice and tall. Breathe in, lift shoulders forward, up, and release back. Now let's reverse that. Draw the shoulders back, keep the spine long. Exhale, roll the shoulders forward. Breathing in, draw the shoulders back, feel your chest expand and open up as you do that, and then exhale, roll the shoulders forward and down. 3 more, breathing in, shoulders back, lift them up, and roll them down, and 2 more. Stay with the breath, nice and slow, rotating those shoulders, releasing tension. That's all you have to focus on is breath and letting go. All right, come back to center. You're going to take your chin now and drop your chin towards your chest, but don't round the back. Continue to sit up nice and tall, shoulders over your hips, and just feel this nice, gentle, easy stretch in the back of your neck. Keep your chin soft towards your chest and take a few more deep breaths in and out through your nose. Now, what I'd like for you to do is to keep your chin low and allow your chin to just gently drift over to your right side. Don't lift your head. Keep the chin kind of tucked in. So not only are you getting a nice stretch to the back of your neck, you're also feeling it a little bit on the side as well. Stay with the breath, holding here for a few more breaths. And then slowly bring your chin back to center and then gently lift it up, gaze forward, take a deep breath in and exhale. Now let's take it to the other side. Drop your chin towards your chest. Allow it to drift over to the left side. Now you're stretching out the right side of your neck as well as the back. Remember not to round the back or slump your shoulders. Continue to sit up tall. And as you hold this position for a few more breaths, you can easily just close your eyes and enjoy the stretch. Continue to relax your right shoulder. One more breath. Inhale, come back to center, chin towards your chest, and then slowly lift your chin up. Take a deep breath in and exhale. So now we're going to get a deeper stretch in the side of the neck. So you're going to take your left ear, drop it over to your left shoulder. Relax your right arm. You can just kind of let it hang and shake and actually just let it fall off, kind of like, let it go. And then take your left hand, place it over there by your right ear, and just give your head just a gentle tug. So you're just simply allowing gravity to take over here, and you're adding just a little extra weight with your hand. A few more breaths. Deep inhale, exhale. Definitely close your eyes and just enjoy this simple little stretch in your neck, as well as releasing tension through your shoulders. One more breath. Release the hand first, and then bring your head back to neutral position. Take another deep breath, and then release your right ear to your right shoulder. Relax your left arm. Take your right hand, place it on top of your ear. Gently draw it over. Make sure your face is forward. Spine is long. And you're still breathing in and out of your nose slowly. Two more breaths. Deep inhale. Exhale. Last and final breath. Slowly begin to release and come back to neutral. So if you're feeling any tension and tightness there, just give your shoulders a couple of rolls once again. Just kind of move around, shake those arms out. And now we're going to take the arms, open them wide in line with your shoulders. Take a deep breath and then swing your arms forward. You're going to bend your elbows, and then you're going to take your right arm, hook it underneath your left. Wrap the arms. So we're coming into little eagle arms. I just want you to kind of rotate those elbows around. So you're dropping your elbows down and then lifting them up. So as you take this little movement, make sure you stay connected to your breath. In and out through your nose. And then go in reverse. Rotate it in the opposite direction. A few more breaths here. One more. And then release the arms, shake them out, let them go, move your shoulders around. All right, so now let's switch. Arms out in front again, bend your elbows, slide the left arm underneath, wrap your wrist if you can, or you can always keep the backs of your hands together. Find that position that's comfortable, and then start to rotate. Remember to sit up nice and tall. Few more cycles here on this side. Doesn't matter which direction you started in. And then let's reverse. One more breath. And then release the arms. So you also probably felt that in the back, right there around your scapula and shoulder blades. So that's a nice stretch for that area too, which will definitely help to relax the shoulders. We have one more position, and this is a simple cow face pose. So I'm actually going to turn myself around so you can actually see what's happening in the back. So I'm going to just simply rotate around. And you're going to lift one arm up. You're going to bend that arm and place the hand behind your head and neck. This may be enough, and you can also take the opposite hand and grab the elbow. And just slowly give it a little tug, and of course, relax your shoulders, sit up nice and tall, and you can hold right here for a couple of breaths. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can take that other hand, release it, and scoop it underneath. Now, the cool part about having a yoga top, you can actually hold on to your yoga top, or you can use a towel, or you can actually bring your hands together. Continue to lift your elbow up to the sky, and if the other one is down, allow it to float towards the earth. Sit up nice and tall. Make sure your chin is parallel to the earth, and we'll hold here for a few more breaths. Deep inhale. Exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale. One more. And then gently release and let it go. So of course we have it to the other side. Take the opposite arm, lift it up, bend the elbow. Again, this may be enough. The next stage is take the opposite hand, grab the elbow and give it a little tug. Remember to sit up nice and tall, relax those shoulders. If you want to keep going, release the arm, use your towel, or you can use your yoga top, or you can bring your hands together. So just observe and notice. One shoulder may definitely be tighter than the other. Try not to judge that side. Just be aware of it. A lot of times it's caused by us overworking one arm or the other. Continue to lift the top elbow up. Chin stays parallel. Stay with your breath. Try your best to relax the shoulders and don't overdo it. One more. Gently release the arms. Take your time. Shake it out if you need to. Okay guys, there you have it. Some nice simple moves for helping you to release tension and stress through your neck and shoulders. Now, as you know, we have hectic lives and we're carrying bags, we're using our cell phones, and that creates a lot of tension. However, you can jump into this practice at any point in time to release some of that stress and find a place of calmness.